Cookie Monster, put them in the cup. So we're gonna take our melted white chocolate. You can use candy melts or tempered chocolate. Just fill the cups up a little bit. And you wanna make sure that the sides get completely covered. And then you flip it, get the excess chocolate out. Take your cookie crumbs. So our chocolate has had time to set, so we're going to unmold them. We're going to take the cup and dip it into more white chocolate. Then we're going to roll it in the cookies. So now we've given time for our cupcakes to cool down. So we're going to take them out of the pan and put them onto the plate. And we are going to cut the mouth out for the Cookie Monster. So just cut however large of a mouth you'd like. The larger the mouth, the more cookies you can put in your cupcake. And then we're going to keep the extra pieces in a separate bowl. So we're gonna take our icing. This one is already blue. It's a great Cookie Monster color. So we're gonna mix it together. And an easy way to fill a piping bag is to put it into a glass so it can hold it, so it's easy for you to just pour your icing in there. You're not gonna overfill it. Take your scissors and cut a tiny hole at the end. And we will start decorating. You wanna give them a shaggy look. So you're basically just kind of scribbling like you're scribbling with a pen on a piece of paper until it's completely covered. And leave the mouth open because cookies are going in there. We're gonna take the eyes, those close together. Get some cookies. We're gonna put our final two products together. Take your cup and your Cookie Monster, put them in the cup. Enjoy the cupcakes that you made.